Your photos suck, and here is why. Stop centering everything like a noob. Your photos looks like your ex, basic, boring, and nobody saves them. In few minutes, I'm gonna turn you into a composition god with the rule of thirds. This one trick makes your feed look pro, and it's stupidly simple. Let's go. What is it? This is a super quick explain. Imagine your frame is a tic-tac-toe board. 2 lines horizontal and 2 vertical. That's the rule of thirds. Put your main subject on the lines or on the intersections. Boom! Instant drama. Instant whoa, who took this picture? Centering is for amateurs and microwave instructions. We are not amateurs. Watch this boring picture, and now watch this masterpiece. Your eye now travels like it's on a roller coaster. Another one, your dog staring dead center like he's in mugshot court. Move him to the right line. Suddenly he's a main character of a Netflix series. A pro tip, eyes always on the top third. Horizon on the bottom or top line. Your portraits will slap harder than your group chat notifications. Same rule for video, baby. You have a moving subject. Lead them into the empty third. Give them space to run. You have an interview. The eyes on the top right intersection. Your viewer's brains is gonna say that this looks expensive, even if you're actually shooting it in a cracked iPhone 11. And if you have drone shots, horizon always on the top or the bottom third, never in the middle, never ever. Here's some editing hacks. In editing it gets even easier. Choose the crop tool for your photos. Arrange them perfectly for the rule of thirds. Your before and after. Did you see the difference? Now here we have some common mistakes. Mistake number 1, ignoring the grid when the light is fire. Sometimes your scene is so cool and the light is so beautiful that you forget about the grid. Never do that. Mistake number 2, forcing it when symmetry actually works. This is rare, like 0.3% of the shots. But if you see that symmetry or centering the subject looks very good, even though it's called rule of thirds, it's not a rule, you can break it. Creativity is more important than any rule and any guidelines. So then this is actually a pro trick. Break the rule, but only after you master it. Like Picasso breaking faces. He knew the rules first. I can promise you that. So then remember, rule of thirds 90% of the time, chaos the other 10%. Okay, I want you to do this today, and I want you to tag me on Instagram, okay? I will leave you my Instagram here. Right now, grab your phone, turn on the grid in camera settings, shoot 5 shots using thirds, then tag me on Instagram, or if you want, you can share the link in the comments. Best one gets a shout out in the next video. And now let's be honest. If this saved your photography game, smash the like button, subscribe, and tell your photography friends that they're still centering like it's 2007. See you in the next one. Now go make art, not snapshots, art.